In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Click on Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Drag the chosen ones, and after establishing a perfect list, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!